Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I will be walking you through how to set up direct deposit for your government or unemployment benefits into your GO2BANK account. Now first let's go over the automatic setup. So the automatic setup here is that you need to start log into your GO2BANK account either through the app or go2bank.com, and once you're logged in, click on the move money menu, then select direct deposit. And here you will see an option to set up your direct deposit automatically. Simply click the setup automatically button, and then you will be prompted to search for your benefits provider. Like type in who pays you, right? So and search for your government or unemployment benefits provider. And once you find your provider, uh, log in with your credentials, select how much of your benefits you want to deposit into your GO2BANK account, and confirm your direct deposit details. Now then all you have to do is, after confirming everything, submit a request, and GO2BANK will securely connect with your benefits provider to process your direct deposit. And that's it. And it can take up to 1 to 2 pay cycles for your direct deposit to start appearing in your account. And that's all for the automatic setup. Now let's talk about the manual setup here. If your automatic setup isn't available or you can find your provider, don't worry, you can manually set up your deposit. First, ask your benefits provider for instructions. Then log in to your GO2BANK again and go to direct deposit page and copy your GO2BANK account number and routing number. And once you have your account and routing numbers, give them to your benefits provider. And if they ask for the account type, simply select checking, right? And then follow their instructions to complete the setup. After completing the setup, direct deposits should show up in your GO2BANK account within 1 to 2 pay cycles. And just a quick tip, make sure the name and social security number on file with your benefits provider match your GO2BANK account to avoid any issues. And if you're unsure about the process or how long it will take, reach out to your benefits provider for more details. That's it for today's tutorial, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.